welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for no-bake peanut butter bars. These look really good on the recipe. I really hope they turn out as nice as they look. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, 1 cup or 120 grams of graham cracker crumbs or butter cookie crumbs, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons or 280 grams of peanut butter, 1 cup or 180 grams of your favorite chocolate. In a large mixing bowl, add powdered sugar, crumbs, peanut butter, minus the 2 tablespoons which should be added to the chocolate, and melted butter. Stir the peanut butter mixture together. The white dots are powdered sugar that clump together. It's difficult to find powdered sugar free of clumps in Germany. Press the peanut butter mixture into a lined 8 by 8 inch square baking pan. Melt the chocolate and peanut butter together. Pour the chocolate on the peanut butter mixture. Allow the chocolate to set up. Once the chocolate is set up, you can remove the bars by just lifting the baking paper out. Cut into bars. These peanut butter bars are a bit sweet, but absolutely decadent. Perfect for peanut butter fans. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.